Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Today I'm sharing a very easy and healthy recipe. I am making oatmeal peanut butter chocolate bars. These are gluten free and keto friendly. You can have them for breakfast or pre and post workout as well. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So let's start our recipe. Bismillah. First, I'm taking 8 by 8-inch pan, greasing it with some cooking oil, then placing a parchment paper, and then I will just spray the cooking oil one more time so our bars won't stick to it. Now I'm taking a large mixing bowl, adding rolled oats. Today I'm using instant oats, but you can use regular as well. Adding almond flour, you can use regular flour as well or any other alternate. Adding cinnamon powder, baking soda, and salt. Mix all these dry ingredients well and put it on the side. Taking another bowl and adding coconut oil. Now I'll put this bowl in the microwave until coconut oil is just melted. Then let it cool down a bit and then I'm adding eggs in there. Beat the eggs very well. Now I will add honey in there. You can add original maple syrup or agave as well with some peanut butter. You can use creamy or chunky peanut butter, adding vanilla essence and mix all these things. Now transfer these liquid ingredients into our dry oatmeal batter, mix well. Now I'm adding chocolates. Today I'm using bittersweet chocolate chips. You can use cocoa nibs or any other alternate as well, or you can even use dry fruits and any other seeds in there. Transfer this prepared mixture into your prepared pan and then smooth the top, and then I'll transfer this pan onto our preheated oven, which is preheated on 350 degrees. Bake it for like 20 to 22 minutes or until bars are fully baked and set from top. Take them out and put it on the wire rack until they get cooled down completely. Then you can cut them into bars and transfer them into any airtight container and enjoy them with a cup of milk or a coffee for your breakfast. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.